Good morning and welcome. It's Julie and I'm here in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with what I hope today is going to be a very minimalistic pour, and keep it with my black and white only. So yeah, very unusual for me, but lots of people love minimalistic and kind of monochromatic type work. And of course, this finished work, you could take high definition photos and have them blown up any size to fit some large walls. So this is what's happening today. My base coat is just my normal pouring medium, the info is in the drop down box. The only thing different I've done with my black and white on these particular is add some global gloss medium, I think it's called. I'll try and find the bottle and show it to you. And it's actually caused me to kind of have a pearl effect, but without I don't know, putting any other ingredients. So it really in a previous pour has come out like a pearl effect when I've used it. I'm just getting my paints ready, which are just that. Well, it's kind of a black blue. I did start off with phthalo blue, and adding black is how I make my sort of really dark blue, navy or black blue as I call it. So I'm literally going to only puddle pour these colours and just keep puddling on. So keep doing the alternate puddles as I did. That's simple. And now I'm just going to do a real gentle tilt around the place. As you see, just nice and easy, just tilting it to whichever composition you think you would like. I do want to leave some negative space in this particular one, believe it or not, even though I am not a lover of negative space in life or in my art. So but I do leave a little bit of negative space here. So what you can really plainly see at this point is my pearlies in the paint are coming through just beautiful. And like I said, it was just my product, the global pouring medium gloss varnish. It's like a 2-in-1, and it's creating these lovely pearl effects. So it's quite a lovely easy way to do this kind of abstract art that lots of people like, this very monochromatic, plain looking abstract art. It's not, I mean, I love doing it and I love the finished product, but I prefer to throw some colour in. You know me, if you know my work, you know that I love throwing some colour in. So yes, just going over with my heat embossing wand. That's what that is. It's not a blow dryer, as some people ask me each and every time. It just does what a butane torch does and bursts. Thumbs up from Julie, just bursts the air bubbles and helps bring up any cells if you so require. But yeah, that is very, very monochromatic, easy peasy Japanesey. So have a look at what it looks like on the wall. Just found the product that I have. See, it's the gloss, medium and varnish. You can get it in the different sizes. I have a link, a global link below that will show you where to find that pouring medium. And I really didn't measure it when I was making up the white and the black. I just give a good squirt of that pouring medium, and this is the only thing I've done different, so it must be what's causing these beautiful pearl effects in the paint. So as you can see, I'm happy with that and it looks great, but disclaimer, I did push on with this and see what it had looked like with a bit of colour on it, which I will post the video very soon and you will be shocked. It was a beauty. Okay, my lovelies, please take care, enjoy your art. I hope you've enjoyed this. A bit different for me, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye for now.